Hey there, Jan Willem here from Video State. You know what I was just thinking? Science fiction movies, did they inspire the development of AI, or is it just coincidence that everything that we saw in these movies is happening today? Who knows? Welcome to Judgment AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the popular software OpenAI to generate scripts for your videos. As a video creator, you must have heard the news. AI is taking over the digital world. Every day, new AI tools are rising for all sorts of content creation, from ChatGPT for text inputs to Synthesia for talking head videos. And the possibilities for using these tools are endless. And that's all because it all depends on what kind of videos you create. Live action, animation, short form content such as ads, or long form content such as webinars, or all of the above. But the one thing they have in common is scripts. So let's start there. I'm heading towards the ChatGPT interface, your new best friend in providing you with creative ideas and ready to go video scripts. And the way ChatGPT works is that you just give it a command. So let's say you're a video creator that wants to promote your video production services. So let's type write me a script for a video to promote video production services and hit enter. So there it goes. Now this is great already, but we're not quite there yet. Because I want to elaborate on the problem statement. Because after all, that's how we get our audience to listen. So let's ask AI to elaborate on the problem statement. Now the following part is important. I advise you to tweak your content. You know, video creation is a form of art, and art creation takes time. You know, if you consider a video in the form of a movie, movies can take up months to create, and they can last for years. So there's really no need in creating a video in just 3 minutes, right? So go ahead and tweak it. Make it yours by adding your tone of voice. And now that you're done and you have your script ready, you can either use it as an input for other AI tools, or you can learn it out of your head and record it in front of the camera, like I'm doing today. I hope this video has given you insights on how to use AI to generate scripts fast. Subscribe and leave a comment.